Hi guys, Anna Rose Bain here, and I've put together a 2-hour demonstration on painting a desert scene on location. While most of you know me for my figurative work and portraiture, I'm also very passionate about getting outdoors and doing lots of studies on location. Not only is it amazing practice for picking and choosing your priorities in a painting, but it's also extremely fun and therapeutic. Oh, do you hear that? There's a coyote fight going on. I'll discuss how choosing a specific time of day and a color palette based on the scene can make or break the plein air experience. You'll also hear a lot of my thoughts on composition, brushes and tools for mark making, and even things like basic logistics for plein air painting, since it is entirely different from the convenience of painting in your studio.